Have you ever felt a fire in you to start a business, launch a new project, or become a better version of yourself? And then you start questioning yourself whether or not it's a good idea to share it with other people. I suggest you don't, and in this video I'm gonna tell you why. Oftentimes we think people close to us will support us, and in some cases they do. But because they already have a certain image of you, they don't see the potential. And on top of that, they might also start putting their limiting beliefs onto you. The thing is, all of us have limiting beliefs. And if you speak to people who don't understand your vision, because remember, by the way, the vision, it has been put in your mind for a reason because it's yours. But when they don't understand your vision, they start acting from their limiting beliefs. And why would you go spread your ideas around and then have their limiting beliefs transmitted to you? It's a shame. Not only that, telling people about what you want to achieve without actually taking action gives you a false sense of validation. Because let's say people start cheering for you, you feel like you've already accomplished the thing without actually taking action. So unless you already have a solid foundation for who you are, where you're going, or where you want to be, I suggest you keep your goals and ambitions to yourself. Because the seeds of doubt put into your mind by other people can actually stop you from accomplishing or even go after the thing you want to go after. Remember that a goal or ambition is yours for a reason. Other people might not understand it, and that's why it's important to have a solid foundation before you even start speaking about it in public. Not to say that you shouldn't start taking action in order to get you ready to go after the thing you want to go after. So even if you decide to actually tell people about it, be careful who you tell your goals to. Some people might send negative energy your way, and this will cause your plans to fall apart. And if you're not spiritual, this might sound like bullshit, but trust me, when people envy you, they can send negative energy your way that blocks your blessings. The best thing you can do is let your actions, your results, your goals, actually reaching your goals, speak for you. I remember the first time I started working out, and people I used to know were saying things such as, "Oh, you're the healthy one now," or "Why are you even doing this?" Until I started showing them results. Then people were starting to ask me, "How did you accomplish your goals?" So basically what I'm trying to say is lead by example. People don't believe in you until they start seeing what it is you're actually doing and accomplishing it. So instead of telling them yourself, let your actions speak for you. Alright, that was a short video for today. I hope it resonated with you. If so, hit the like button, subscribe, share it with a friend or someone else you might think might need it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.